Welcome to the channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review that can enhance your 3D printing experience, the FLASHFORGE AD5M/AD5X Magnetic Flexible PEI Coating Plate. We found this product online and have added a link in the description, so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's dive into what this product is all about. The FLASHFORGE AD5M and AD5X PEI painting sheet is a specialized build plate designed for use with the Adventurer 5M series 3D printers. This magnetic flexible dual-texture PEI coating plate is specifically engineered to improve adhesion during the printing process, making it suitable for a wide range of filament types, including PLA, PETG, TPU, and even composite materials like PLACF and PETGCF. One of the standout features of this PEI plate is its dual-texture surface. One side offers a smooth finish ideal for printing with PLA, while the other side provides a slightly textured finish that works excellently with materials like PETG or TPU. This versatility allows users to switch between different filament types without having to change the build plate, saving you time and hassle. Another noteworthy feature is its magnetic base. The magnetic attachment makes it incredibly easy to remove prints once they're completed. Simply flex the plate, and your prints will pop right off. This not only simplifies the post-printing process but also minimizes the risk of damaging your prints or the build surface. Additionally, the flexibility of the plate allows for easy storage. Just roll it up when you're not using it. So, who is this product suitable for? Whether you're a hobbyist just getting started with 3D printing or a seasoned professional looking for improved performance, the FLASHFORGE AD5M/AD5X PEI coating plate is designed to meet a variety of needs. Beginners will appreciate the ease of use and reliable adhesion, while experienced users will benefit from its compatibility with various materials and the convenience of the magnetic feature. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases. If you are a designer or engineer, this plate is perfect for prototyping parts that require precise dimensions and strong adhesion. For educators or students, the ease of use makes it an ideal option for classroom settings where multiple projects are being printed. Hobbyists can experiment with different filaments, knowing that this plate can handle the demands of various materials without compromising print quality. Moreover, if you are into creating functional parts or intricate models, the dual-texture surface helps ensure that your prints stick well during the process, reducing the chances of warping and improving the overall finish. This is particularly helpful when printing larger items, where failure due to adhesion issues can be frustrating. In summary, the FLASHFORGE AD5M/AD5X Magnetic Flexible PEI Coating Plate is a fantastic addition to any 3D printer setup. With its dual-texture surface, magnetic flexibility, and compatibility with a wide range of materials, it caters to both beginners and seasoned users alike. Enhancing your 3D printing experience has never been easier. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe,